Ladies and gentlemen, it is release day of the Super Pits. Check out all this awesome Super Pit 1 ounce gold. And now let's check out the 1 ounce Super Pit silver. What the hell's going on? Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. That's gold in there. What's going on here?
We have a small delivery issue with the silver Super Pits.
Do tell.
Oh well, they were scheduled to be here Friday. They didn't show Friday. They're not here yet on Monday, and I promised we'd do the release.
Yeah.
So I've kind of been cornered a little bit. We can't wait for them to turn up.
Right.
Well, we do have all the gold.
Let's do it.
The silver will be on pre-order, and I'm fully anticipating the silver to be sorted out probably by the end of today.
Okay. So we're hoping for possible delivery this afternoon.
Yeah.
If not, probably tomorrow. Let's at least get to opening the gold Super Pit. But there you saw a lovely photo of the silver Super Pit, which is again available for pre-order. But the thing is, it's going to be pre-order for maybe a day, 24 hours. So you can't walk in today and buy them, but orders placed today are probably going to be filled very, very quickly.
It wouldn't shock me if by the time we finish filming this, it turns up and we have to refilm
if there's a ring of the doorbell,
yeah,
you never know. It could be a delivery guy.
But all the tracking shows that it's arrived in Melbourne. So we just while I'm opening this, I don't know if people are aware of where we are in Melbourne, but out the front is what they call a super tram stop. So it means that you can't get parking come hell or high water at the front. So the delivery guys don't like delivering here because it's really hard to park the truck. So we're usually on the end of the queue for it. So
is it also somewhat of a bit of a whim? If they rock up and there's no car parks, do they sometimes, I might just try again tomorrow?
I dare say there is a little bit of that there, although not officially.
All right.
But yeah.
All right, let's take a look at the gold Super Pit in the flesh as soon as Michael... Mate, you think you'd have some decent knife skills at this point. Well, we have seen your blade, your chainsaw skills.
Samurai, they call me.
Yeah.
I'm even wearing a glove, and I don't know why. I don't need to.
Yeah, because why don't you need to wear a glove?
Because these are protected in capsules.
Oh, are you sure you want to be touching those capsules with your bare hands?
Yes, I'm sure I want to.
Okay. Well, let's go.
So that is
beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love the Super Pits. They're very cool. Was it 2019, wasn't it?
2019.
That was the first one?
That's right. They seem to do this one on a 2-yearly rotation.
That's right. So they didn't do it last year. All right. The gold Super Pit in 1 ounce, 2021, 1 ounce 9999 gold.
So anyone that doesn't know, the Super Pit is the big gold mine in Kalgoorlie. So it's a massive open cut.
And for our international subscribers, where is Kalgoorlie?
Just up the road from Perth Mint.
Great. And just for the people who don't even know where Perth Mint is, where's Perth Mint?
In Western Australia. But just up the road is not just up the road like in Europe. Just up the road in Australia probably means, I'm going to get smacked for this, but I think it's somewhere around about a 7-hour drive, or 7-hour drive.
Okay, all right.
So it's a serious distance.
Okay, fair enough. So that is the gold Super Pit.
That is the gold Super Pit.
There's a whole bunch of them too.
We have a few of those. Now, we haven't actually made a big deal of this, but we actually have the exclusive joint Australian release of this with the Perth Mint. So at this stage, you can only get them off us or the Perth Mint within Australia. They have been sent over. They're actually produced by or for another company in Germany. So of the 5,000 gold that were produced, 4,500 were sent to Germany.
Wow.
250 were kept by Perth and 250 were kept by us.
And that's exclusive to us apart from the Perth Mint?
Yep, in Australia.
Wow,
yep.
Cool.
And the silver one, which it's a similar design, but I can probably blow it up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's probably going to make it look scary if I blow it up. There's 100,000 of these being produced, 95,000 of which were sent overseas to the company who has contracted this coin.
Yep.
And then Perth Mint got 2,500, and we got, well, we haven't got, we're getting 2,500 delivered, hopefully within the next 24 hours.
Fantastic. Wow, excellent. Thank you for that. Was a surprise. I didn't realise we had exclusivity on that.
We did, which
Very
is
cool.
why we've had to stay incredibly quiet about it because we agree to certain embargoes.
Of course. Okay, no worries. Well, look, that's the silver super pit right there. Can't show it to you in the flesh, but hopefully today I reckon it'll probably be in.
We will do a video when it arrives. We will do a short video on it just to show it in the flesh.
Yep.
But at this stage, if this is the only video that's listed, and we'll show it clearly on the website as well,
Yep.
it is actually for pre-order.
Yep.
But the silver, not the gold. The gold's actually for order.
Yep.
But the silver will be for pre-order, but we only anticipate that being in pre-order for at most 48 hours at the most.
Fantastic. All right, well, you know what to do. Head over to bullionnow.com.au as per the sign. Get your gold, which is in stock. Get your silver on pre-order, but it's not going to take very long at all. Exclusive to, other than the Perth Mint, exclusive to Bullion Now within Australia.
Yep.
That is some good news.
Now, just to stop people panicking, the gold we will release to the website, we'll probably release 200 to the web, we'll keep 50 for in-store. The silver, we're actually going to do a staged release on. So we've got 2,500. We will release 2,000 eventually to the website, but we're actually going to do it in chunks because I've had some complaints that, I'm at work or I don't get the YouTube notification quick enough, those types of things. So we will release 500 as soon as this video goes out. We will release another 500 this evening, sometime around about 7 o'clock. I'll release another 500 in two stages tomorrow, one at about 9 o'clock and one at about 7 o'clock again.
Okay, well, I really appreciate that. That spreads the love. Or spreads the opportunity, that is. Fantastic. Well, you're a good man, Charlie Brown. All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Get your super pits in gold and silver. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.